How's it going, guys? Just wanted to share a quick, easy fix for a broken power outlet in the truck bed. Recently, it stopped working on my truck. Probably, water got inside the outlet and shorted the circuit when I pressure washed the truck bed. Thankfully, when this happens, there are safety fuses in place to prevent any serious damage. Open the hood and find the fuse box. You can find the correct fuse by looking at the diagram on the back of the fuse box cover or in your owner's manual. Fuse labels aren't always intuitive, and sometimes there are multiple fuses with similar names. For example, in my case, the fuse for the power outlet was called battery charging. Just try to look for something close to what you're looking for. Also, keep in mind, if you can't find the correct fuse, it may be located in another fuse box inside the car or somewhere else. Next, pull out the fuse and check if it's blown. Alternatively, you can use a circuit probe tool and test fuses without even taking them out. Just set the tool to direct current voltage mode and touch both test leads on top of the fuse. Both sides should have the same voltage readings. If not, then the fuse is blown. If you're interested in this tool, I'll drop a link for it below. It really makes troubleshooting any electrical issues in your car a whole lot easier. Once you find a bad fuse, replace it with a good quality replacement fuse with the same amperage value. Verify that your power outlet is working now. If it still doesn't work, most likely you have damaged wiring somewhere. You can use the same probe tool to look for short circuits or signal loss. Just start at the end and test the power outlet, and then follow the wires and work your way backwards to see at what point the signal disappears. Inspect and test wire harnesses and electrical connectors as well. Once you find the damaged part, fix or replace it. I hope this was helpful, and if so, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks.